My dear students of class 9, in my last video I explained about coordinate geometry, how to divide a plane into a coordinate plane and how to plot the points. Today I am going to discuss about the solution of linear equations in one variable as well as in two variables. First, in one variable, let us take an example. Suppose there is an equation 3x is equal to 6, or rather 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. How to solve this equation? You want to find, actually solution means to find the value of the variable. Since it is one variable, so we can divide this equation by 3, we get x minus 2 is equal to 0. Thrice x by 3 is x and minus 6 by 3 is minus 2, 0 divided by 3 is 0. So we get x is equal to 2. In this manner we solve. Already you have learned about all these things. Now in two variables, so x is equal to 2, if there is an equation, you get x is equal to 2. How will you draw the graph of this equation in a coordinate plane? You can draw the graph of this equation. X O x dash, y O y dash. This is the coordinate plane. Now x is equal to 2 means for any value of y, the value of x is always 2. 2, that is positive. So on the x-axis, you are to find the point 2. On the x-axis, suppose this is 1, this is 2. X is equal to 2. So for any value of y, x is equal to 2. So if we take other values, we will get like this. Whatever may be the value of y, the value of x is always 2. Ultimately, we get a line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 2 units on the right side of x-axis. That is why it is called a linear equation, as because we find a line when we draw a graph. So in this manner we can solve a linear equation in one variable and can draw the graph of that equation also in the form of a line. Now let us come to linear equations in two variables. Let us take some examples. Linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Suppose there is an equation x plus y is equal to 4. You can see clearly there are two variables, x and y. While we solve such equations, we always solve the equation for y. What will be y? Y is equal to 4 minus x. Plus x is transferred to right side. minus x. So the solution is done. What is the value of y? The value of y is 4 minus x. Now for this solution, we find out 3 coordinates. How will you find y is equal to 4 minus x? If we take the value of x is 0, then 4 minus 0 is 4. If we take the value of x is 5, then 4 minus 5 is minus 1. If we take the value of x is minus 5, then 4 minus minus 5. 4 minus minus 5 is equal to 4 plus 5. Minus into minus is plus. 4 plus 5 is 9. So if we take it as minus 5, we get y as 9. Thus we have obtained 3 coordinates. The 3 coordinates are 0, 4, 5, minus 1 and minus 5, 9. Now if we plot these points on a coordinate plane, we will get a straight line. See, this is your coordinate plane, XO X dash, YO Y dash. Now plot the points. 0, 4, abscissa is 0, ordinate is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 0, 4. 5 minus 1. Abscissa is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And ordinate is minus 1. So this is this one. It is 0, 4. It is 5 minus 1. And the other coordinate is minus 5, 9. Abscissa is minus 5. Suppose here it is minus 5. And then 9. Suppose here it is 9. If we join these 3 points, we got a straight line. We get a straight line. Join the points by a roller. Using a roller, you can join the points and you will get a number. You will get a straight line. This straight line is say AB, which is the required graph of the given equation x plus y is equal to 4. In this manner, any linear equation in 2 variables can be solved and the graph may be drawn. Now, I will not draw any graph. I will take some examples how to solve again. Let us take another example. X minus y is equal to 2. I have already told you, when we solve it for y. So what will be y? X minus 2 is equal to y, so we can write y is equal to x minus 2. Ultimately, 3 solutions can be obtained from this equation. If we take the value of x is 0, then the value of y will be 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. If we take x is 5, then y is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. If we take x is minus 5, we get y is minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So in this manner we got three coordinates 0 minus 2, 5 3 and minus 5 minus 7. Now if we plot these points on a coordinate plane and join the points by a roller, you will get a straight line. You will try it yourself. Now let us take another example. Another example, suppose 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So what will be y? Y is equal to 3 minus 2x. We have found the value of y. Y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now find three solutions. If we take x is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. If we take x is 5, then 2 into 5 is 10, 3 minus 10 is minus 7. If we take minus 5 for x is equal to minus 5. So minus 2 into minus 5 is plus 10. Plus 10 into 3, plus 10 plus 3 is plus 13. Thus we got three solutions, that is three coordinates 0 3, 5 minus 7 and minus 5 13. If we plot these points on a coordinate plane and join them by a roller, again we will get a straight line. Thus any equation, linear equation in two variables can be solved in this manner and the graph of the same can be drawn. In your book you will find several questions. You will try to solve all the problems, and if you find any difficulty regarding any of the problems, you put forward the question in the group and I will answer for you. Thank you.